0.65%. So we can see that the US markets, Nasdaq closed at the record on Monday as Nvidia's share rise 2%. So Nvidia is pretty much strong. Maybe we can check on this charting later on. And the US stock future trade waters, Nvidia anticipations put Nasdaq at record high. So nothing much changes right there. So we check on the chartings. So we go for the Nvidia. Nvidia Corporation is now at $947, pretty much close to the 1,000 threshold. The chances it could break this to reach to the 1,000 is pretty much high at this moment, I would say. So now it's cushioned by the resistance will be somewhere around 960. So once it break 960, it will go far more stronger above 1,000 level. Okay, for the Nvidia. So we check on the Nasdaq index. Nasdaq on the downtrend, on the uptrend, pretty much strong right there. Technology stock is bringing it higher. So we check on the S&P 500 is still on the record high range, above 5,300 level, and the Dow Jones dropped nearly about 0.5%. So now is coming back from the 40,000 level, closing at 39,800 level. So two of the indexes, Nasdaq and S&P, is still on the uptrending strong. Dow Jones is also on the uptrending, based on the candlestick overnight. Seems to be profit taking coming in. Anyhow, we still need to monitoring for the three indexes trend. And the US market is still pretty much strong at this moment. All three indexes on the uptrending. Okay. So we come back to the Malaysia market. Malaysia market overnight is pretty much strong, up by 10 points, closing at 1627, which is already above the major resistance 1620 level. So we check on the larger chartings around there. So the white color line is the one of the major resistance around there. So it's managed to break this level. We will need to monitor whether it will pull back or not. Anyhow, the trending is pretty much strong and positive, and the slope of the trending is pretty much steep at current stage. It's pretty much like more than 50% degree right there. So we check on the market review by the Maybank Investment Bank. The bull will continue to dominate the markets, but the trading will become choppy as corporate earnings take center stage. Meanwhile, interest in the importer should remain elevated thanks to the persistent strength in ringgit. So technically, Maybank is expecting the KLCI to trade within a range of 1620 to 1640 20-point range. And the support will be 1600 and 1560 level. Okay, so we go for the research house topic. The first one will be by M-Bank, which is TAS Offshore. TAS Offshore is already on the uptrending stocks, and the trending seem to be the slope is steepest and closing at 92 cent level range. Stop loss level given is 77 cents. Seems to be too large because it's more than 10%, right? And the target would be 1 ringgit and 110 level. So if you are joining in for this one, I was suggesting you adjust your stop loss level higher and wait for the pullback to entry. Okay, so the next research house will be by M+, Angtex. So M+ topic seems to be more toward the intraday trading or contra trading, because they start the target and the stop loss level pretty tight right over there. So you can see that overnight closing 101. They are mentioning for this one buy above 101. So how to judge 101? I'm not so sure, even I'm in the market quite so long. Buy above 101 because one night highest level is 10 was 103, and last 2 day ago closing is above 102. So you are saying buy above 101, why not you buying at current stage 101? I don't get it. So because earlier on last 2 days is already above 101. Okay, so stop loss level given will be 98 cents, which is around how many cents? 3 cents only, right? If you are buying 101, if you are buying 102 will be 4 cents, and the target will be 105 and 110. 105 seems to be too near. Okay, anyhow they are playing for this one pretty much like a string playing. They're expecting to go higher. If I would want to suggesting to trade this one, yes, potential in it, yes, there is potential, but you need to adjust your trading plan. I wouldn't put the target as 105. 110, I may adjust it slightly lower, is 108 or 109, and the second target will be previous high, will be somewhere around 120 level. Okay, and the stop loss we need to adjust slightly lower, will be 97, something like that. Okay, so and the next stock pick will be SKB short. SKB shutter. So this one is the string is coming in, so it's already broken the resistance, short-term resistance for a couple months, and overnight volume is coming in 2.9 million share traded. It's nice pick, and overnight closing 6.8 half, and they did mention buy above 6.8 half. So meaning that they are suggesting you buy 6.9, something like that, and the stop loss level will be 6.7, target is 7.1 and 7.2 half. Again, I agree for these topics, and I don't like the trading plan. Pretty much same to the previous stock and text. So if you are playing for this stock, you need to adjust your stop loss level lower and the target level higher. Okay, and the next result will be by RHB Gentet. Newly listed stocks, so you can see that the trending sideways has been consolidation about 1 month plus. So overnight closing 49 cents. They mentioned pending breakout for the 515, meaning that they need to break this level, the purple color line, in order to drive it higher. And I believe this one you need to considering the volume trading as well upon the breakout. And a stop loss level given will be 455, target is 56 and 60 cents. So the next stock will be Sunway. Sunway is very good stocks. Overnight closing 365. So they did mention they are buying for the breakout 358, which is yesterday already broken out for this level, meaning that you already can buy in. Stop loss level is 335 and the target 380 and 4 ringgit level. So Sunway is one of the stock that is very solid in the Malaysia market. If you are talking about if you want to investing into one single stock in the Malaysia market, Sunway will be the one. Okay, so depends on your risk appetite. So the next research house will be Maybank Investment Bank, Econ Pulse. Econ Pulse. So this one is testing for the resistance range. So you can see that it's a bit already pulled back for 1 month. Overnight closing 5.2 half, and the stop loss level given is 4.9 half. Target is 55 and 59 cents. So you can see the overall trending for the Econ Pulse is on the uptrending, very healthy, which is around 45 degrees uptrending. So the next stock would be Inari. So this one has been trending sideways for quite some whiles. So it going up sideways, going up slightly sideways or ranging. So overnight closing 321, stop loss level 3 ringgit, and the target given will be 350.375. Yep. So the next stock will be EMCC. So this one is newly IPO stock for end of last year. So healthy pulling back happened right over here for 1 month plus. Overnight closings for 8.5. Stop loss level given is 455, and the target given is 52 and 56. If you are planning for this type of stocks, because we don't have a strong price action currently, so if you are playing for this stock, I was suggesting you placing the breakout. Placing for the breakout. Breakout means buy stop limit orders lah. You're placing for the breakout, which is somewhere around 49.5 and 50 cent level. Okay. So the next research house will be by UOB E-Metals, Eon Metals Group. So this one is an always downtrending, obviously in the downtrending stock. Normally I don't suggesting you entry into downtrend stocks. Overnight closing 40 cents, stop loss level given is 36 cents, 10% acceptable, but the target is 46 and 49.5. Anyhow, I don't like the downtrend stocks. So the next stock would be Joshcan. Joshcan is on the major sideways trending for quite some while already. I believe it will remain sideways trending continuously. It's too early for the reversal at current stage. Overnight closings for 8.5. Stop loss level is 445. Target is 57.5 and 61.5. Yep. So the last stock speak today will be GOH. GOH overnight closing 3.9.5, and stop loss level given is 355. Is still on the downtrend and sideways trending. Target given is 48 and 4.5. The trading plan seems to be sorry to say, it's kind of weird that the stop loss level given is pretty much okay. The target seems to be too large for the short-term trading. Yep. So anyhow, if you like the trading plan, make sure you follow it. And if you want to open an account with Maybank, you can check the video at the below. There you make sure you key in the promo codes. So I will assist you after this. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.